Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, is the world's leading provider of semiconductor manufacturing services, exerting a profound impact on the development and innovation of the global technology industry. Since its establishment in 1987, TSMC has become a pivotal force in chip design and mass production, supporting a wide range of applications from smartphones to high-performance computing systems. TSMC's advanced process technologies have made it the preferred partner of tech giants like Apple, Nvidia, and Qualcomm, which rely on TSMC to produce the most advanced chips, driving innovation and performance enhancements in tech products. TSMC is not only a symbol of Taiwan's high-tech industry, but also an indispensable part of the global semiconductor supply chain. Through continuous investment in research and development and expansion of production capacity, TSMC has accelerated the pace of semiconductor technology development, promoting the iterative update and popularization of tech products. In the global trend towards digitalization and intelligentization, TSMC's role is significant. Its contributions to driving technological innovation and meeting the global demand for high-performance computing have made it an important force on the world's technology stage.